Good evening. I, Aditi from class 10th is here to present a debate on how to nutritional diet helps in yoga. So let's start. Nutrition is an intrinsic part of yoga practices. The food we eat can have a profound impact on not only our body but mind also. Eating a well-balanced diet with sufficient nutrients are essential for maintaining energy levels, building strength and endurance, and supporting muscle recovery. Yoga and Ayurveda recommended inclusion of sattvic foods in daily diet, which are light and healthy in nature. Foods that are vegetarian, high on antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and freshly made are believed to work wonders for our energy levels and happiness and brings mental clarity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here I am Pranjal Vajpayee of class 7C, student of Kendra Vidyalaya IIT Kanpur, going to express my views on benefits of yoga. Yoga is most important for everyone's life. It helps to balancing the relationship between mind and body. Yoga is a Sanskrit language word which means union and discipline. It is breathing exercise which one learn to control movement of different organs of body and connect body with soul. Benefits of yoga. Yoga helps to keeping our mental and physical health intact. Yoga improves our flexibility. Yoga develops higher level of patience. It helps to develop our self-discipline and self-awareness. Yoga relaxes you to help you sleep better. It also improves our heart health by increasing circulation, and it also improves heart health by increasing circulation and blood flow. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. My name is Harinan of standard class 9th of student of KVIIT. My today's topic is importance of yoga and benefits of yoga. Yoga has not one but many benefits. Some of them are: first, yoga help in keeping our mental and physical health intact. Second, it keeps away most of elements from our mind and body. Third, by practicing yoga, we can also sharpen our mind and improve our intelligence. Fourth, it helps us to connect nature. Fifth, yoga allows cleaning mind and reaching a more peaceful life approach. Sixth, yoga helps in achieving inner peace and fighting against stress and other problems. Seventh, it helps in improving the flexibility of muscles. Eighth, it makes a better digestive system. Ninth, yoga helps in weight reducing. 10th, it helps in skin glow. 11th, it improves blood circulation. 12th, yoga practice has frequently been correlated with a strange immunity system.
Debate on yoga versus gym. Gym practitioners' muscles get stiff. At the same time, yoga makes us flexible. But if we discontinue yoga, our muscles almost remain toned. If we discontinue gym, weight can expand. Yoga cures diseases. Gym cannot cure diseases. It only makes muscle tone. For practicing yoga, it would take some knowledge about yoga. For practicing gymming, we can only do it in gym. The yoga can control body, mind and energies. But in gym, we can only control our body.
Yoga is a mental, physical and spiritual practice which helps in attaining a great mind, body and soul. The word yoga has descended from is Sanskrit language which refers to union. Yoga has originated in ancient India and dates back to the pre-Vedic times. Yoga helps fight stress, improves the immune system, flexibility, health, and overall personality. A study show that around 16 million people in US practice yoga. The 6 branches of yoga are Raja Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Mantra Yoga, and Hatha Yoga. Pranayam is a kind of yoga dealing with a breathing exercise. A balanced diet helps maintain proper body weight, keeps us nourished, and our skin is free of burns and pimples. Proteins are essential for adolescents as they near it for their growth and development. It develops health eating habit and helps us to reach our optimum health goals.